Myntri katnat puli puti ke sarkar jela uba lak men remboi ulakentu ya nonghikai SSA ke beki menta baki de banlik phaino mardor shaki skul baki hikai lem kumta kim mansi banle dak bateng e dak bapen pau baka sarkar jela ru kaya kunteng e na ke benta ban penyo no ya ke tulop jongki ka bade banwan lang na ke sarkar pedeng Myntri uloong baki sothu ahadu kanu ke jinge baki nonghikai ki ya kendo Tang bau ong pat banyak yang jongkiru kide benya trailang rengkat-rengkat bat ke sarkar.
If they don't resume class, we have to take a drastic action against the managing committee concerned. We have no other option in spite of trying so much, and we will continue to try. We will not shy away from responsibility to solve the issue at hand, but there is a limitation to anything. So the limitation is that we have to work together. From what we have source, whatever we got, not even 10% have been affected. So, but I don't know whether the report is right or wrong. That I have to verify. I understand that the teachers also, they are the people. The teachers are like us. It is not very easy for them. Every now and then, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, their salary will be pending. So they also, because of the problem faced by them, so they try to request the government, but having seen that the government is trying to solve the issue, which not entirely in the state of Meghalaya, so they should understand. So whether that inspire them or think that I cannot say right now. See, the funding of the central government, as you said, is 90%. But 90% off, there is a capping of 15,000 for the salary. There is a capping of 15,000. So the government of India paid 90% of 15,000, and beyond that, the 10% plus, the 4,000 plus or 5,000 plus, is to be borne by the government of Meghalaya, which we are doing now. And as you see the notification of the government of India that this scheme is extended till 2025 or 26, I don't know exactly, and every year the funding will be reduced by 5%. So the complication is huge, and but as I said, we will not shy away from responsibility. We will try to do and we will try to streamline how we could do so that to ease the burden of the teachers, to ease the pressure on our teachers. But having said that, it is not a very easy solution. So I request the teachers that they should resume class, and if they do resume class, we have no other option. Either we have to issue order of no work, no pay, or we will withdraw the grant to the managing committee for those schools which are closed in spite of repeated requests by the government of Meghalaya. The SSA teachers have met me multiple times, and also last week, and they have met also the additional CS. We have explained to them that we from the government of Meghalaya, as of now, we have complied with all the requirement of the central government to release the first installment. So as of now, we are awaiting the first installment from the central government, so that as soon as we get, we will be able to release the salary of the teachers.